Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how to make a menu in Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to start with very good satisfying thing to make a menu. So we can go to the plugin and start to type menu maker. We can actually start to make this situation. So maybe we can see that it's really hard to do it. You can create text or menu items. For example, you add times of ABC 1 and 2. Okay, sorry, we have to start right here to make the one and add a ticket right here too, which is really this one, and we can add another text 3. Then as you can see, we can make it wider to have a certain letter 40. And this one also, and this one we can remove this one first because it's really transparent. So really what you're gonna do when we are going to make this kind of menu, it's really like this. And as you can see, we can start like to have something. We can start to add a ticket right here. It's called menu. So we can start to control A and then start to make a group. Then also we can start right click and start to go for we can component if you want, but actually I don't want it. So you can start to go for a layout over here and do auto layout and make it vertically. So we can start to have it vertically like this. And then as you can see, we add a background and padding if you want, and group in into component if we have to. So that is all about how we move